Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. The most important factor that determines the different types of vegetation is A. Light, B. Wind, C. Temperature, D. Rainfall. All of these are factors that help in determining the different types of vegetation that we have. But the most critical of these factors are temperature and rainfall. And a proper balance must be maintained between these two factors for plants to grow well. Alright? But rainfalls support a denser vegetation. Okay, good. So the answer option D, rainfall, is the right answer, and it is the most important factor that determines the different types of vegetation. Good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.